How can you switch to YouTube Kids? Hey everybody, in this video I'll show you guys how you can easily switch your videos from normal YouTube to YouTube Kids. Open up your YouTube application and just make sure that you are logged into your account. So all you have to do here is simply go ahead and find a video that's most probably likely be on YouTube Kids. So for example, let me just go ahead and search for Disney. Here I've searched for Disney and let me just open up any video here. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on the first video. Now once you get to the video, it will automatically show you that an app just made for children. So you could just go ahead and tap on this open app button. If you don't have the app on your device, it will redirect you to Google Play Store or App Store. And if you already have the app, you can tap on this open app button and it will automatically open the video in YouTube Kids. So that's how you basically switch over to YouTube Kids. Let me just show you guys one more time. I'm just going to go ahead and go back. So I'm going to get to this YouTube. Let me just play another video. So I'm just going to go ahead and close this out and then open this new video. And once you open up the video here, you will see this option, try YouTube Kids. Just tap on this and it will automatically open up the app for you. So that is pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically switch over to YouTube Kids. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.